Hey, this is Vince from the Assign It to Me team. I'm going to show you how to add tasks and folders to your project and give you some basics on managing the work for your project team. Let's get started by clicking on the project's link in the left panel. We see that the status is still in draft mode for the corporate website project that we just set up. We need to add some work in the form of tasks for the team so that we can switch the project to active and go live. Let's click on the project link to take us to the project. Click on the Tasks tab. To add a task, click on the Add Task button and enter a task name. Select the owner for the task. In Assign It to Me, there can only be one team member assigned to any task. Other users can still enter attributes like time, progress, comments, or attachments against any task, but there can only be one owner for the task. Add a short description for the task if needed, and tags to help you search or group your tasks. Enter the scheduled start date and end date for the task and enter the scheduled effort in days, hours, or minutes. The scheduled effort represents the actual amount of time needed to complete the task. For this task, I'll enter 2.5 days, which gets converted to 20 hours. The 20 hours is calculated by the number of days times the default setting of 8 hours per day. Check the task attributes that apply. Task attributes include a flag to identify whether a task is a blocker and whether the task is a scope change, which is work not included in the original work plan. You can also set the billing status to billable if checked or non-billable if unchecked. If the task percentage complete is determined by its checklist option is checked, the task owner will have the ability to use a checklist to calculate the progress. If the option is unchecked, the task progress will be entered manually by the task owner. Select the weight for the task. The weight works similar to assigning a priority to the task and is used in the project health calculations. We'll leave this setting to normal weight for this task. For more info on weight and project health, check out our help docs. To save the current user and create another, click the Save and Create New button. Otherwise, click the Save button and you're done entering your first task. Now, let's add a folder. Folders can be used to group or identify buckets of work. You can also use folders to identify milestones for the project. Click on the Add Folder button in the top right corner of the screen. Give the folder a name and click Save. Now let's create some more folders for our team. You can add folders to folders or tasks to folders by using the folder menu. Drag folders and tasks to organize your work. Now we can select views from the menu based on whether your team uses an agile, waterfall, or mixed approach. For this project, we'll use the panel view. Now that the tasks and folders have been added and organized, let's switch the status to active so that the project goes live and the team can start work to create a successful website for our company. Thanks for watching.